What's up everybody? I'm Officer Dan and I just got ripped off by China. Sick! How you might ask? Well, I ordered a tent from this website. The tent that I got in particular was called the 3 seconds fast opening hydraulic double layer, waterproof. And there's a gajillion of these things on Amazon and on the internet and on Instagram and circulating on Facebook, and they're all the same thing.
And all of these websites have the same videos, same pictures, and the same BS. Don't listen to any of them and don't buy this tent from any of them.
When I got it, I had to laugh at myself for being such an idiot. I really wanted a buddy tent for people to come camping with us because we tend to do that a lot. And so I was like, oh, 50 bucks, we'll see what happens. It looks like a cool tent, and it isn't at all. Let me show you this bad unit. So you've seen the video of what it's supposed to be. Let me show you what it is. Ta-da! This thing is basically a glorified window shade. But hey, you can use it as a very crappy fitting backpack. Oh, I just broke it. Just kidding. Now it's a satchel. Jesus Christ. Alright, so now that I have fixed this, let me go ahead and open it up for everybody. So, well, there it is. This thing is supposed to be a 6-person tent, hydraulic, easy open, 3 seconds up. They definitely got the 3 seconds right. It actually takes a little more time than that. But there it is. Oh wait, let me put the epic rainfly on. Alright, well, that's it. That's the assembly of my 3-second hydraulic double layer multifunction waterproof tent. Let me give you a tour of the inside. Nothing but the best in materials and hydraulics were used in the crafting of this tent. I'm gonna go ahead and lay in this thing so you guys can actually see the scale that we're working with here. Oh, 6 people, get on in here. And my feet are at one side. Oh God, I'm on the box. My head hits, my feet are touching the other side of the tent, and my head is, if I slept diagonal, I'd barely fit. I don't know how tiny the people were that they used to test this for 6, but I'm kind of at a loss for words here. It does have a mosquito net, so that's cool, but you can't get, oh, wow. All right. Well, darn. Keep the mosquitoes out. Well, I wouldn't trust this thing to do a camp out in the backyard, let alone the great outdoors. I think the moment that this thing sees any kind of rain or mist, that you are just going to be soaked. There's holes all in and around through the bottom of this thing. see if any water made it to the inside. Jesus Christ. So I haven't touched it, but this is what the inside looks like post-rain test. Like, the inside of the tent is wet to the touch. It's just seeping through. Doesn't look like a whole lot came through the rain flap because it's dry in the middle. So this is just leaking in through the sides. How wonderful is that? Oh, China, you never cease to amaze. Rain test complete! Kind of bummed that I lost 50 bucks, but it was almost worth it for how funny this piece of crap tent is. Maybe I'll bring it to Goodwill or something so some little kid can have it as a bed top tent. I think that'd be pretty rad. Anyway, this is Officer Dan. Let's camping, and let's not camping in this tent. If you see it online, do not buy it. Any shape or form from any of the websites they've created, it is 100% a ripoff. I am living proof. All right, well, I guess I'll catch you guys next time for some more editions of Let's Camping in a hopefully better tent. See you later.